Hey guys, in today's video I will tell you how much does Allie Sherlock makes on YouTube. So in a note, then watch the video till end and subscribe to the channel to know how much your favorite YouTuber earns. First of all guys, how does YouTubers get paid? They get paid by placing ads on their videos. If they place more ads, they makes more money. Secondly, CPM stands for cost per 1000 views, means how much advertiser pays to run their ads on YouTube. Every CPM is $4 and the earning depends on many factors, from where the video is watched, how long the video is watched. Thirdly, YouTube takes 45% of creator revenue, means 55% creator gets and 45% YouTube takes. So now let's take a look at the channel analytics. It has total of 5 million subscriber and total 577 videos and 825 million total views lifetime on their channel today while filming the video. Now let's take a look at the estimated revenue. How much does it makes monthly, annually, daily and per hour from YouTube. This channel gets 70,000 subscriber monthly and over 21 million views per month. So according to that, if we multiply views with average $4 CPM, then their estimated monthly earning is $86,000, and multiplying monthly earning with 12 shows that they makes $1 million annually. So after dividing monthly earning with 30 shows that they makes 2,886 daily, and dividing daily earning with 24 shows day, they makes around $19 per hour. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to know earning of other YouTubers, then comment down their channel name. Thank you for watching the video.